what to do during the storm, but there's a huge storm cloud over there that's coming through Springfield, Missouri. It is March 27th, 2020, which is today is Friday. The current time right now is 3:54 p.m. There's this black silver storm coming by. And it's starting to get really windy, and that wind is about to pick up. A severe thunderstorm warning issued for McDonald and Newton County in Neosho or Joplin, Missouri. They issued it like a few minutes ago, and I have my weather radio on me. I have a weather radio on right now. Let's see if there's any. Let's see if you can see it really clear. Yep, here it is, guys. It's even over to the backyard. There's some workers over there. Yeah, that huge storm is literally coming by to southwest Missouri, where I am in Springfield right now. The severe thunderstorm warning is still issued for McDonald and Newton County and Joplin or Neosho, Missouri. I'm in Springfield, Missouri, so I'm gonna keep my eyes prepared for this storm coming by. So watch out for any severe storm. So yeah, alright guys, hopefully we get alerts. So yeah, alright.